How to connect your Discord account with your Facebook. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Discord account with your Facebook easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Discord. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now if you want to connect your Facebook, just go down below here and click in on this option. Now right here you will find many options. Just click on connections. After you go to connections, now it will take you to this page right here. All what you have to do to connect a Facebook, just go to the top corner and click on the add option. Now as you can see, you will find your Facebook right here. Click on it and you will be able to connect it easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.